Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Sigcine ngokuthi guys uSenzo Meyiwa case uBaloyi thought at his back of his mind ukuthi usembambile ulo. Kanti no, at the end of the day uAbsalom Zungu uKininda lied, and Absalom Zungu's plea to date is, can Kininda keep my name out of his mouth? I think that's all that is important here. Wayekhulumelani ngami a court without my consent. That's all he's saying. It's just like, I don't care. Uthi wayifaka imali ebhenki noma akazazayifaka, or wayithatha ibhenki account yami, or wayethe uzoyithatha, or he did testify about that. But when he testified in court giving triple, he says about me, anginandaba akahlukani legama lami, emlomeni wakhe nje alingaphumi igama lami for the rest of his life. Ukininda, that's all I'm asking for, and that's all I've been asking for. Ukuthi waye khulumelani ngami in the court. It's just like anginandaba. uBaloyi sayitshela nje ukuthi no, this guy is contradicting himself. Ngimtholile ngimbambile guys. uBaloyi izinqa zemfene ziphandle. uBaloyi has been dead for years. He's been gone. Umniswa bekusimende wakwasho wathi noma usombeka usimende die hard. He wants to come back all the time. uBaloyi, you must just stop it, uBaloyi, and just be like, you know what, mina I'm done. Ngicela ukulahlela ithawula, ngicela uboshwe. Enough. Actually, even my own son unalived himself ngale gani leyo esekuthiwa manje 9mm ibani bani itengekho. The same gun manje sekuthiwa iyona le that unalived. He was unalive ayena umntanakhe back in the days. Was it 2006 now? No one even knows. You understand? Because uBaloyi, guys, is dark. Behlangene noRatha and Brigadier Kininda. They are just dark people. There's no two ways about it, even.
Guys, Absalom is spitting fire. I love Absalom. You have no idea. It's some state. Bengifila sengathi Advocate Baloyi is pressing on him and he's defeated. This guy actually is back. I'm just like, what? You are spitting fire now. It's just like, what are you doing with this statement when it's actually forgery? Like, that's forgery and you lying here. Nindaba, are you processing Kininda? Or you involved in some criminality? Which is the truth. I mean, like, I'm sorry, like, it's the truth. Guys, like I said in the video before this one, alright. Brigadier Bongani Kininda, uBaloyi. Le 3. Nomntanabe u-PhD. Dr. Sibanda, I find the paposh. Or you find the PhD with something to Samanga? No, they must be arrested, those people. Kakulu, babosh. Like, they must just be arrested, those people. It's as simple as that. Yeah, I can't even sugarcoat it. I'm just like, they must go to jail, straight, when John Wick. Brothers law. Uked Matlala. No, guys, like, it's a lot, eh? A lot, Senzo Meyiwa, and then uyabatshela nje uzungu straight uthi hawu nibhizi niphushana namanga la, nibhizi niphushana nifaka nami. Leave my name out of your mouth. Into efana ngabe niyayenza, including uKininda wenu. Akanandaba shem, guys. Noma engimi lapha kancane guys uzonifakela le clip that just made me laugh so hard.
Baba Zungu, sacela ukuthi uma ngabe uphendula uphakamise izwi baba ngithi yasebenza lo mgogo. Ngicela ukuthi wena nje ukuthi bazokwazi ukuthi baqosheke iphimbo lakho la uzwakale ukhulumele phezulu baba. Uthi-ke umshushisi makwenzeka ke lo mhlangano noma ke mawuzohlangana naye uBrigadier Kininda ngo-2023 kwakusekuqaleni kwaka-2023 kwakumaphakathi no-2023 noma kwakusekupheleleni emaphelelweni waka-2023 mhlawumbe.
Angisazi ngoba kusinto engayirekhoda noma esasibhala phansi.
I cannot remember because it's not something that we had recorded or something that was written down.
And you have just mentioned that this meeting did not take long. You've just said 20 minutes. In your evidence in chief, you said 30 minutes. So can we accept that this meeting took place between 20 and 30 minutes?
Uqeda kusho manje ukuthi lo mhlangano azange uzothatha isikhathi. Uthe ngaba nje 20 minutes. Kodwa ke uma uqala unikezela ngobufakazi bakho uye wathi ke 30 minutes. Manje ke sizovumelana yini sinawe ukuthi ke lo mhlangano wathatha isikhathi esingaba u20 ukuya ku30 minutes.
But Baba Zungu, the question is, did he, as he testified in chief, did he say you must come and testify for him?
Manje ke babuzungu uye washo yini noma uye wayikhuluma le nkulumo njengoba wena bosowushilo ukuthi ke uye wathi ufuna ukuthi wena uzomfakazela.
Wayikhuluma.
He mentioned it.
Yes. And according to your version, you had not made any statement up to that point.
Ngokuya ngawe ke wena wawungakazi ubhalise ke istatement.
Akaze ngisibhalise mina.
I never gave a statement.
Akukho engangivumelane nakho noGininda.
There was nothing that I'd agreed with Gininda.
Yikho lokho ngifuna ukubatshela nje iqiniso ukuthi kufikela usebenza kufika umuntu lazo ukutshena izinto eziningi. Angifuni kazange sivumelane. Uma savumelana futhi akaveze incwadi ayibekela nakho la sasayina khona.
I had never agreed to anything with Brigadier Gininda. He just came to me, told me a whole lot of things, and if he's saying that we had agreed, so he must bring proof in the form of a letter or a document.
But Baba Zungu, the question is this: if you had not made any statement up to that point, how could he have asked you to testify for him?
Manje ke makuwukuthi ke wena uzange wabhalisa ke istatement bekazoza kanjani kuwe athi ucela ukuthi uzomfakazela makuwukuthi wena sikho istatement wasibhalisayo.
Uyazi phela kuhlelayo konke lokho kwestatement akho statement ngeke angitshene ngendaba istatement ngabhala statement le maweni mina.
No, he knows what he knew what he was planning, so he cannot come here and bring up this statement issue. Where did I take this statement away?
So your version is that he asked you to come and testify without you having made any statement. Is that your
Manje
version?
wena ubufakazi bakho ukuthi ke uBrigadier Gininda wathi kuwe uze lapha ngikwenkundla uzonikezela uzofakaza noma uzonikezela ngobufakazi bakho ungakaze wena ubhalisa istatement.
Akaze esho.
No, he never said.
He never said what, sorry?
Akazange esho ukuthini baba.
Uthangisela ngizobhala istatement.
That I should come to court and give out a statement.
Brigadier Gininda did ask you to come and testify for him without you having made a statement.
Babuzungu esizama ke ukuthola lana ubufakazi bakho nokushilo ukuthi ke uBrigadier Gininda wathi wena uze la enkantolo uzonikezela ngobufakazi noma ke uzofakaza. Ngisho ekubeni ukuthi wena wawungabhalisanga ke istatement kunjani.
Mina ngichazela ngizobuyela eceleni ngithi uGininda wathi kimi angithi ufuna ungisela emazweni angaphandle. Isiphi statement ayifuna ngibuye ngizibhala. Bokuqala ngangeke ngisho noma ayishilo ngangeke ngisivume. Ngangeke ngivume ngoba akanginikanga incwadi.
Angazi noma ukuthi ngikuthola kahle kule nkulumo yakho na.
Dola.
Cha ngisho ukuthi mina ngazi ukuthi mhlawumbe ngikuzwisisa kahle. Uthi wena ke uBrigadier Gininda awukazi wabhalisa ke istatement kuye. Kanti ke bekazosho kanjani ukuthi kuwe uze la enkantolo uzonikezela ngobufakazi.
Beza ngalobugebengu ngaqala ngabo kaze ngimbize mina. Siwele eqaleni wayeze kanjani kimi.
I wanted to clarify the issue, my lord, with regards to the witness statement now. The witness indicates that he has never given a statement to Brigadier Gininda. The Brigadier Gininda was only coming with his criminality act towards him.
What do you mean by that, Mr. Zungu?
Ushuthini ngale nkulumo yakho babuzungu.
Ngisho ukuthi akazange ngihlalele emsebenzini. Yena wangizela nalengane yami. Akhanda ubugebengu ngifuneke ngibe yihawu lokufika bona. Bahambe nenkulumo le bayise phambili kodwa bathi bafike ngami bona nobabili.
I did say that I never made any statement to Gininda. They came together with my son while I was at work, and now they want to hide behind me, using me with their criminality. So I never had given him any statement.
So we can leave this point, Baba Zungu, on the understanding that you say Brigadier Gininda asked you to testify, notwithstanding the fact that according to you had not made any statement.
Siliyeke yini lo daba lolu baba uZungu lokuthi ke wena uBrigadier Gininda wathi kuwe uze ke uzonikezela ngobufakazi la enkantolo ungakabhalisi wena statement. Never said that I should come and testify.
Angimazi futhi wayefuna umfakazele ini.
And I do not know what it is that he wanted me to come and testify about.
Yikho singahlalanga nje isikhathi eside nje ilokho.
That's why it did not take a long time or did not take time.
Angithi asingene la sibhalise lokho okushoyo wacela uhamba.
When I said to him, let's get inside so that we can write down what you are saying, he then requested to leave.
But Baba Zungu, we try to understand your evidence. The one moment you say he asked you to come and testify for him, but you've just now said now that he did not ask you to testify.
Manje ke sizama ukuthola lana baba Zungu lokho kushilo kanti nalokho kushoyo manje ukuthi ke ekuqaleni kobufakazi bakho the wena uBrigadier Gininda wathi kuwe ke ufuna ukuthi uze la enkantolo uzofakaza. Kodwa ke manje usuyayishintsha leyo nkulumo ukuthi ke akaze akucele ukuthi uze la enkantolo.
Hayi kwathi ngizofakaza ukuthini.
What is it that he wanted me to come and testify about?
Yes.
Ngoba sengishilo mina ukuthi wathi ufuna wakhuluma ngendaba wafaka le ndaba ohamba. Yikho ngaqhela eduze kwakhe nje noma ngitshela ukuthi khona ubufakazi ufuna ngibenze. Makwabo khona ubufakazi eqaleni kwafanele ngenzise lobo bufakazi ukuthi ngize la angitshela ngize la ngibize ngelanga lecala. Ngeke uthethe icala bese uqhamba uzobiza mina.
Mawuthi indaba uma kekhuluma wakhuluma ngendaba yokuhamba usho yiphi indaba yokuhamba?
Ngisho lo ungivakashela le ngisemazweni angaphandle.
When he started mentioning the issue of taking me abroad, he never said anything about me having to come here and testify. And if he wanted me to testify, he should have brought me here when the matter was starting.
Did you express concern regarding your personal safety to him?
Wamtshela yini wena ke ukuthi ukuvikeleka kwakho mhlawumbe nokuthi ke ukuvikeleka kwempilo yakho uyawamtshela ke into efana njengale ukuthi usabile impilo yakho mhlawumbe ke nokuvikeleka kwakho?
Phela umuntu akekho ongayazi safety. Ngeke ngichaze ukuthi ukhona umuntu ongayazi safety la eSouth Africa.
There is no one who will tell me or come here and say that they do not understand anything about safety here in South Africa.
Mangabe wayazi safety wayoyenza qala eqaleni ukuthi angakwazi ukuxabanisa nezwe.
If he knew what safety is, then he was going to make sure that he conducts it and not make me to fight or the people to fight to create a fight between myself and the nation.
But did you, Mr. Zungu, express concern to him regarding your personal safety?
Kodwa ke wena uye wamtshela yini umnumzane uBrigadier Gininda mayelana ke ne-safety?
Akaze ngimtshela.
No, I did not tell him.
You say he inquired from you if you are afraid of being guarded. And you then told him that you are against that.
Can you please repeat that for me?
You say he asked you if you testify that he inquired from you if you can be taken to other places. You gave the example of Zimbabwe, Swaziland, Lesotho, places outside the country.
Uthe wena ke uyoba nengxoxo nawe mayelana nokuthi ke uzoba nayo yini inkinga mangabe ke ungathathwa uyiswe kwamanye amazwe afana nabo Zimbabwe, Swaziland, Lesotho.
Mina ngangeke ngisingane mina ngitshela into enye. Yikho ngathi asungitshela into enjalo.
No, I'm not a child.
Kile la ngiyakhe khona ekhaya kuphi la ngizoya khona.
No, I'm not a child. Not a child for him to can tell me that I should move to other countries. I am a resident here in Avila. My home is here. So I told him that you do not tell me something like that. So I wasn't gonna go anywhere.
Yes. But just to conclude this aspect, Mr. Zungu, did Brigadier Gininda discuss with you the various options that are available
Manje
for your protection, your personal safety.
uye waba yini naye ingxoxo nawe uBrigadier Gininda mayelana ke nezinto owawungakhetha kuzona ukuthi ke ube safe? I was not gonna choose or opt for anything because I'm not being controlled by Gininda.
But did you discuss that? What are you saying that he said or not, whether he said it or not, but I was not interested in this issue by Gininda. Yes, but we want to know, did he say that, according to your version?
Manje into esifuna ukuyazi ukuthi wakusho yini lo. He was mentioning this abroad issue.
Yes.
That's what agitated me, because Gininda was now treating me like a child, saying that I need to be taken abroad, he has a farm and he's working and what so forth.
Even
if he came to me, approached me with a document from the government, I would not have agreed to that. No, I'm not being controlled by Gininda. It doesn't even know how I got to where I am or how I live.
Once again, Baba Zungu, the question is, why would he discuss now your protection if you did not make a statement?
Manje ke umbuzo wami ukuthi ke kwakungani uBrigadier Gininda ezoba nale ngxoxo yokuthi ke mhlawumbe ungahamba uyohlala kuphi ukuze ube safe noma ukuze uvikeleke mawukuthi awuzange wena usibhalisa istatement.
Khona nomuntu ongakhuluma ngendaba yomuntu ozokwenzela ubugebengu.
Is there anything I can explain, or is there anything that a person can explain with a person who approaching you with the acts of criminality?
Did Brigadier Gininda mention to you during that occasion that your statement has been disclosed to the defense?
Uye wakutshela yini uBrigadier Gininda noma engxoxweni yenu uye wakuveza yini ke uBrigadier Gininda ukuthi lesi statement sakho wesenzile sanikezelwa ke abameli ukuthi nabo babe naso? No, he never told me anything with regards to the statement issue.
See, we want to show you a copy of Exhibit A126. Is the type version of Exhibit UU. You'll see that the details of the deponent, the ID number, the place of employment, and the cell phone number have been omitted on that type statement of A126, the type version of UU.
What is omitted is the ID number, the workplace.
Yes, the name of the deponent, the ID number, the address, and the cell phone number.
Uyabona ke baba Zungu, izolo sisakhombisa ke istatement esibhalwe ngesandla ngithi. Sathi ke leso statement UU. Manje ke basixoshe phansi ke leso statement base bayasitype ngomshini angithi. So is this a sound statement if there appears no name in the statement?
Yes, but there is a format in which it was disclosed when a disclosure of the docket was made to the defense. It was disclosed in that format.
Manje ke lesi statement masilethwa ke ubufakazi bonke buqukethwe ngaphakathi kwedocket angithi. Manje mabasiletha ke sona lesi statement basilethe singalo hlobo basilethe sinjeni.
Yes.
ngoba senjena nge-statement esibhala umuntu esingenamagama
This is a complete
bekuthiwa
statement.
ngisenzeni
Yes.
But is this a complete statement in the manner in which, or in this format that has no names? And when did I make this statement?
Yes.
bani kanti usenzeni
Who made this statement?
Yes. We're just showing to you that is the format in which A26, that is Exhibit Triple U, was disclosed to the defense.
le ndaba ngiqala ungenzela ubugebengu ngikhona la
Why?
statement esingenam
Why are you now coming with this Criminality Act while I'm present here before this court, giving me a statement, showing me a statement that bears no names?
Yes, but did Brigadier Gininda during your meeting explain to you that your statement has been disclosed to the defense, but without your personal details?
Manje-ke umshushisi Daba azama ke ukuliveza ukuthi uBrigadier Gininda wakwazisa yini ukuthi nasi istatement sakho, abameli sibanikezile istatement sakho, kodwa-ke asizange siyifake ke le mininingwane le eyakho.
yini engafakwa
Why was my information not put here?
Yes, for your own personal safety.
Ukuthi-ke uze uvikeleke-ke,
mina
uvikeleka kwakho.
mina uGenindo walifaka kanjani igama kuso lesi safety akhulume ngaso statement walifaka kanjani igama lakhe
And how did
kanti
he
lesa
put?
akakwazi ukulifaka
And how did it now happen that Mr. Gininda puts my name on the other statement that he said I gave and failed to include my name on this one?
niyamvikela yena
You are protecting him. Are you protecting him?
You see, the contents are exactly the same. The only thing that was left out is the name of the deponent, the address, and the contact details.
Konke ke okuqukethwe la noma okubhalwe lana kuyafana naloko ke okubhalwe kulesa statement esibhalwe ngesandla. Izinto nje ezingafakiwe lana igama, i-ID number, nekheli lasemsebenzini kanti ke futhi ke nenamba yamakhalekhukhwini.
into enjengalena yikho esikhuluma ngama-corruption
Yes.
ngaletha into kimi ekuqaleni la e-high court ingabhalwe muntu ibuza ukuthi ayibukelwe yini
No,
eqalwe muntu le
this is what we see when we're talking about corruption. How do you now bring a document, like an incomplete document like this in the High Court, saying that I should comment on it?
You see, Baba Zungu, there's also a list of witnesses